Hello from One Sound. Today we are looking at the FSUB45, our floor subwoofer. The FSUB45 has the same configuration to the WSUB45, which is designed to mount in walls and ceilings. The FSUB45, as the name suggests, sits on the floor. The FSUB45 was built for the installation market, but has also been proven useful in the production environment, where subwoofers need to be out of sight. The FSUB's 6.9-inch height makes it easy to hide and fit into those tight spots. Some examples of where the FSUB could be utilized are hotels and lounges, museums and theme parks, houses of worship, as well as residential installation. Basically anywhere requiring a discrete subwoofer. Throw it under a couch and you'll never see it again. The clean-looking compact design enables placement of a high-output, articulate subwoofer in spaces where other subwoofers just cannot fit. 4 5-inch low-frequency, high-excursion drivers combined with a 10-inch passive radiator creates a deep, powerful, articulate bass response extending to 39 cycles. The FSUB45 was constructed to operate flawlessly in any outdoor environment. Some of the construction features that contribute to the weatherproof design are polyurea coating creates a scratch-resistant, durable finish. All the hardware is 3/16 stainless steel, and a 3D spacer fabric on the grille. Due to these design considerations, the FSUB45 has an IP55 rating and is saltwater resistant. The FSUB45 is floor supported, no rigging, no holes, no branding, designed to create a clean visual look. Being manufactured in New York, we have full control over our building process. We have a strong QC protocol with 4 independent Clio systems to test each component throughout every step of our building process, including final field testing. We work hard to make sure all of our products are consistent, reliable, and are backed by a 3-year warranty. For more information, visit our website. If you have any questions, you would like to listen to our products, or even come visit our production facility right here in New York, please contact me or anybody on our staff, as we would love to hear from you. From the One Sound team, thanks for checking in.